Internet Computer is a mid-level cryptographic currency that is currently worth $3.50. It belongs to the class of mineable coins, and has a market capitalization of $1.546080-636, which is a very large amount. Over the past few years, digital currencies like Internet Computer have gained a lot of traction in the global financial world and are now being traded like traditional money. Forex really is different from what most people think. Now that we've given you all the basics, you need to start making your own cryptocurrency arrangement or work on improving the one you already have. We'd like to get to the heart of the matter and give you the most complete ICP price range, from where it is now to where it is expected to be in the near future. Record a very useful interaction that will help the reader see a bigger picture in the Internet Computer market and make a good investment decision by showing that it is the result of the constant work of our analysts and live readings of our very special crypto instability. ICP is a middle-of-the-road digital currency because it is currently ranked 34th in the world. This is based on a metric that isn't completely settled by multiplying the all things considered current price by the market capitalization of the advanced resource. This shows how, at this very specific intersection, the efforts of all market members brought the price of Internet Computer to $3.50. The actual meaning of this boundary will become clear later on, which is especially important. Recently, on August 30th, ICP was valued at 3.41 at the end of 2 trading meetings. Remember that digital currencies are traded every day, so each trading meeting usually ends at 12 p.m., which is a huge difference. The cost change rate over the same time period added up to 0.09, showing that yesterday, on August 30th, ICP was really valued at 3.41 at the end of 2 trading meetings. 7 days ago, on August 29th, WEBC was traded at $4.03 at the end of the trading meeting, which is a 0% price change from where it is now. On July 19th, which was exactly a month ago, examiners traded ICP at $4.06, which is 13.87 from where it is now. Market capitalization is another important metric that helps traders figure out the popularity of a digital currency and its future prospects in a straightforward way. It's also used to figure out how much of a share Internet Computer has in the overall cryptographic money market, which shows how much of an impact Internet Computer has on the market. Yesterday, August 30th, ICP was valued at 3.41 at the end of the 2 trading sessions. Most digital currencies are traded every day, so each trading session usually ends at 12 p.m. The formula for figuring out the market price is pretty simple. As of the time of compassing, the market capitalization of ICP really remains at $1.546080,636, which makes it the 34th largest coin on the cryptographic money market. This is especially huge because on August 30th, the market capitalization of Internet Computer really stayed at $150 million. On August 29th, the capitalization of ICP was $1.776.784.104, and a month earlier, on July 19th, there was a very large amount of capital flowing into this kind of special. Market capitalization added up to $1,784,516,743. In a large way, most digital currency financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization also shows how risky a particular digital currency is and how well it can handle disturbances, which are really common on this very unpredictable market. It's clear that the market capitalization of Internet Computer makes it a mid-cap cryptocurrency that belongs in the safe gathering, which is different from what most people think. Since we've already talked about how to figure out the market capitalization, it would be right to devote a section of this report to the stockpile of Internet Computer. All things considered, the biggest stockpile is the number of coins that will be made on a specific blockchain over the course of its existence. The total stockpile is the number of coins that have already been made since the beginning of the venture. The circulating supply, which clearly refers to the number of coins that can be used, and other words that are almost always successfully traded on trade stages. The total amount of ICP that really matters is still 503,933,873 coins. In a simple way, The circulating quantity of the digital money under study is really 441,635,515 ICP. This Internet Computer Price Prediction would by and large be pretty much finished without the outline of the trading volume available question, since that's the real-world metric that most cryptocurrency traders use to confirm the strength of a pattern and the suitability of a market move in a kind of significant way, like if the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the back of really low trading volume. Bitcoin price prediction as $5 billion in trading volume puts BTC back in the green. Is it time to buy? In the complicated world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is at the forefront of strategic discussions. Its impressive $5 billion trade volume, which has put the asset back in the black, is a good example of this. Even with this momentum, the commodity is worth about $26,011 as of Monday, which is a slight drop of nearly 0.1%. This price isn't just based on how the market works, it's also heavily influenced by how people feel. The recent ideas President Biden made about how cryptocurrency tax reporting standards should work have gotten the global cryptocurrency group very busy with discussions. Also, the financial markets are acting more cautiously after Chairman Powell's pointed comments about the current U.S. inflation rates, which he says are too high. As people try to make sense of this complicated web, the most important question is whether Bitcoin is a good way to trade in the current financial system. Different people have different opinions about what Biden wants to do with crypto tax reporting standards. People with a lot of influence in the cryptocurrency world are worried about the new crypto tax reporting rules that U.S. Vice President Joe Biden is proposing. The Internal Revenue Services, IRS, plan to make brokers follow tax laws better by giving them tighter rules has been criticized. Crypto experts worry that these rules could make it hard for crypto companies to do business in the U.S. Some people think that the strict rules could slow down innovation and make the business leave the country. Some people, like CEO of Messari Ryan Selkes and president of CoinFund Chris Perkins, think that the rules could slow down growth and new ideas. In light of these worries, the BTC/USD exchange rate is going down, which may be due to these regulation changes. When Powell warns of high inflation in the U.S., investors get nervous. Asia's cryptocurrency market was stable on Monday, despite comments from U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell about how high inflation is still going. Cointime Economics by Glassnode and ARK Invest is changing the way Bitcoin is valued. Glassnode and ARK Invest have come up with Cointime Economics, a new way to figure out how much Bitcoin is worth based on measures